What's up everyone? If you're watching this video, chances are you've been frustrated with your chest growth, even after doing all the heavy pressing exercises like bench press, dumbbell press, and push-ups. Well, today, I'm going to show you 4 common mistakes that could be sabotaging your chest growth, and how to fix them for explosive chest growth. Mistake number 1, poor posture. Many of us, especially students or professionals, sit for hours with poor posture, causing our shoulders to round forward and our chest to cave in. This poor posture transfers to the bench press, where our shoulders round forward, shifting tension away from the chest to the shoulders. To fix this, we need to work on our mobility to open up our chest and engage it during pressing movements. First, we need to address the root cause by improving our mobility with upper body stretches. Then, try the following exercises right before pressing. Over and back with a band or clasping both hands behind your back and extending your arms back and up to open up your chest. Activating the muscles in our mid-back with the W and Y exercise to reinforce upright posture. Mistake number 2, flat back. Most people keep their back completely flat during pressing exercises, which not only puts the shoulders in a more favorable position to do work, but it also tends to be uncomfortable and risky for your shoulder joint. To fix this, we need to create an arch in our upper back to keep our chest in the proper position. Bring your shoulders down and away from your ears and then retract your shoulder blades by pinching them together. This will create an arch in your upper back, enabling your chest to do the work. Maintain this position throughout the pressing exercise. Mistake number 3, flaring elbows. Many of us have been taught to flare our elbows out during pressing exercises, but this only shifts tension away from the chest to the triceps and shoulders. To fix this, we need to tuck our elbows in to engage our chest more effectively. As you lower the weight down, tuck your elbows in towards your sides. Then, push the weight back up while keeping your elbows in. Mistake number 4, neglecting mind-muscle connection. Lastly, many of us neglect the mind-muscle connection during chest exercises, which means we're not actively engaging our chest during the movement. To fix this, we need to focus on contracting our chest muscles throughout the entire exercise. As you lower the weight down, focus on contracting your chest muscles. Then, push the weight back up while squeezing your chest muscles. There you have it, 4 common mistakes that could be sabotaging your chest growth, and how to fix them for explosive chest growth. Don't forget to work on your posture and mobility, create an arch in your upper back, tuck your elbows in, and focus on the mind-muscle connection. Try these tips during your next workout, and I guarantee you'll feel your chest light up and grow like never before. Thank you for watching. And if you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more fitness content.